tell me something about yourself.
Sir, as you know, my name is Subhanshu Pandey. I have done my BTech from Institute of Engineering and Rural Technology from Allahabad only. I have done my schooling from Mahasi Patanjali Vidya Mandir from Allahabad only, and I also belong to Allahabad.
Okay, so what is the contribution of Patanjali in Indian life?
So actually, there was a Yoga Sutra what he had written. Uh, Actually, the yoga was prevalent in the ancient time, but he had just molded it into 8 limbs and put
So
it in a
can
book
you tell
which
me
is
the
known as Yoga
eight
Sutra.
limbs of yoga?
So I just know few. That's Yam, Niyam, and
Okay, no,
I don't know.
no issue. When International Yoga Day is celebrated?
So 21st of August.
It is 21st of June.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
21st. Sorry, sir.
So your university is APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So main contribution of Kalam in Indian defense system.
So as we know, sir, he is also known as a missile man, and the Agni series of missile is just made by Abdul Kalam sir only. And he was also in ISRO. Then he transferred to DRDO. So a lot, and the missile system, the nuclear test, what we that mission Sakti. No, no, actually that Sakti. It was named as Sakti, and it was conducted in just after the before the Kargil war. So he was also in the nuclear test.
Okay, so besides, if I leave Kalam as a scientist as well as president of India, then his major contribution besides these two.
So I have also see him as a educationist, as a teacher,
Yeah.
and he was very polite whenever he talks. And also, I know an incident that in 1971, the General Manek Shaw, who was not having the opportunities what a general should have, and when he became president, he had given all the opportunities what a general should have. As Mr. Manek Shah was indulged in some press note in which he had taken the responsibility of
Yeah.
1971 war.
Chacha Nehru, means Nehru ji and Kalam, both were fond of children. But what
Yes,
was
sir.
the difference between their fondness?
Uh, there, I don't see any difference, but there was a similarity only that both were like in favor of children education. They were in favor of children
Okay, okay.
holistic growth.
Right to education is under which article?
Sir, it is under 21A.
21.
A.
Yeah.
That's fundamental right.
Oh, okay. So your father is head constable in UP Police.
Yes, sir.
What is the best lesson you learned from your father?
So a responsible person, what a
Okay.
responsibility, whatever he take, he just fulfill it. And even
So
in the time of this corona,
yeah.
he is fulfilling his duties.
So any responsibility you took till today till date in your life?
Yes, sir. In
What?
college, I was responsible for organizing the tech fest and also the sports meet where I have fulfilled my responsibility and conducted very well.
Okay. You gave first choice as SSB.
Yes, sir.
SSB is on which border of India?
Sir, in Indo-Nepal and Indo-Bhutan border. Actually, it is also placed in Jharkhand and J&K
Yeah,
militancy also
just
some battalions, but
I'm asking about border only because
okay,
nowadays
sir.
there is diversification, so all forces are placed in here and there. So your
Yes, sir.
states, you belong to Uttar Pradesh. Your
Yes,
state's
sir.
border is also with Nepal. So how many
Yes, sir.
districts having border with Nepal?
So 7 districts.
Can you name some?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, starting from east, there is Maharajganj, Siddharth Nagar,
Yeah.
then Balrampur,
Yeah.
then Shravasti, Bahraich,
Okay.
and Pilibhit and Lakhimpur Kheri.
Okay. Recently, Allahabad is named as Prayagraj, means last
Yes,
year.
sir. Yes, sir.
When when it was named as Allahabad.
So it was during the Akbar's period when
Okay.
he had just placed it, named it as Allahabad, means a place of Allah, what he had quoted.
Yeah. So have you visited in time Anand Bhavan?
Yes, sir.
Why it is famous?
So Anand Bhavan, it is famous because of that it was a place of freedom movement. All the meets were happened there, and also when we talk as the childhood of Mr. Nehru, our first Prime Minister, and Indira Gandhi was also spent there.
Okay. So you did engineering and also you did a schooling from a good school. Then what is the
Yes,
reason
sir.
you are coming to the force?
So from my childhood only, I was very sure that I would join the Indian Army.
Okay.
And since my 12th standard, I'm appearing for NDA, and after just in the fourth year, I had appeared for CDSCs also, and I was giving all the attempts, and but unfortunately didn't got selected in the army. So second option was very sure that I would join the CAPF. So that's why I'm just preparing for that.
You in some of the serious exam you written lieutenant as well. In some exam you did not. What is the reason?
So actually, when I was filling, then there was also a column of name of the post,
Okay.
and that is why I just wrote lieutenant. But after seeing the DAF of few persons also, then I saw that they haven't written it.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
somewhere I
That's
have
why.
just
That's why it is the first person I saw the DF of many persons and took mock of many, but it is the first DF I'm saying seeing this. Anyway, no issue.
yes, sir.
You are talking to me in English,
Yes, sir.
but you did not mention you know English.
Sir, actually I have studied from CBSE, and after that I have done BTech. So
But you wrote you don't know English. Then how you are talking to me?
sir, there was also a column where it was just I saw that Hindi was written there, so I just took it as Hindi. I know.
Actually, it is written including Indian language. So obviously you know English. So this is your mistake. Majority of many of candidate I found mistakes. Who is the
So there is
best?
also confusion that I didn't saw English as the language, so I just took.
But
Is there available English option?
yeah, yeah.
Then
Okay.
it is my
Anyway,
fault.
who is the best badminton player of India at this time?
Sir, when we talk of female side, then PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal.
Yeah.
And if we are talking about the means during the since the inception of badminton and our players, then Pulela Gopichand sir and Padukone sir,
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not
Prakash
getting
Padukone, father of Deepika
Prakash
Padukone.
Padukone. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Uh,
And nowadays also HS Pranay, Kidambi Srikanth,
yeah,
these
yeah.
all are famous players.
Pulela Gopichand, you took the name. Pulela Gopichand is a
Yes, sir.
unique person in India. In which respect? Obviously, everyone is unique, but Pulela Gopichand is unique in which sense?
Sir, he is a coach and he has coached all the players who are getting nowadays some medals or representing India in the various events. This is what I know about the uniqueness.
He is the only person in India who got all the three best award of sports: Dronacharya Award, Arjun Award, and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yeah,
This
you
is
played
also.
badminton
This is also.
till which level?
Sir, district level.
Okay. So, you won some medal or something anytime?
Sir, there was a gold medal only at district level. That's what I got.
Okay, okay. So, which type of song you are singing?
So there is not any type. Whatever it suits to my ears, it suits to my brain. I just try to
But
sing that.
any your favorite?
So favorite is nowadays there is a singer known as Deep Rag from Punjab and Arjit Singh, and some patriotic song also. I just used to sing.
Yeah, your father is in police, so you usually talk to him regarding all those things. So, you can you tell me something about law and order situation of Uttar Pradesh, as told by your father?
Sir, as we have discussed also that nowadays law and order, when we talk of like major events, whatever, it didn't happen, but there are some incidences of little bit of that criminal violences, and there are lots of cases regarding the when we talk of that murders and rapes. These are very prevalent in UP. Otherwise, there is not any major incidents of any criminal violences or other things.
So, any suggestion to improve law and order situation in UP from your side?
So suggestion is just like that the person, the most of the person in all the police forces are in the constabulary forces, and they need some opportunities to get motivated. They need some trainings. That nowadays we see that in the CAA time there was some problem, and I have saw a video that the sub inspector level when ADG sir has just told him to fire that tear gas, then they were unable to fire that. So the trainings and motivation they should be always a part of police forces. What I
Okay,
want to say.
what is the difference between paramilitary and central armed police forces?
So paramilitary forces as Indian Army, it has just opposed that the paramilitary forces should not be named as the ITBP, CAP, all the five CAPFs earlier known as paramilitary forces.
What is
But
the
since
difference?
2011,
Actual difference.
so actual difference is that paramilitary forces have control of some sir, actually what I have searched from some sources that paramilitary forces are not now prevalent and they are renamed as CAPF,
Yes.
and CAPFs are under the
Assam
MHA.
Rifle and one more is also at present paramilitary. Okay, no issue.
Sir,
Do you know?
Assam Rifle, but sir, there is a confusion
Okay,
that Assam Rifle is
leave it. Do you
okay,
know some Naga issue?
sir. Naga issue.
Yeah.
Sir, Naga issue is regarding that there are some Naga insurgency. There were some Naga insurgency in Nagaland, but due to there are lots of scheduled tribes, they are residing there, and they want a greater nation that is known as Nagaland. So for that, they are just putting pressure on the government to
Who is the
create
governor
that.
of Nagaland at present?
Sir, at present, sir, I don't.
He is in news recent time Delhi in news for last 2 months at least. Anyway, no issue. When Babri Masjid was demolished,
Sir, in 1992,
date.
the date I don't know.
Okay. So, are you in favor of Ram Mandir?
So it is not like in my opinion is needed. The Supreme Court has already just quoted the suit. It belongs to the Ram Mandir, means there should be a trust made and the temple should be made. So I would
So,
be going with the
Supreme Court give verdict in Ram Mandir, Ram Temple, in under which article of the Constitution of India?
Sir, I am unable to recall that.
Have you heard the name of Article 142 of Constitution? Okay.
So 142, yes, sir. It's is original jurisdiction of Supreme Court
Okay.
where
Okay. Okay.
he
Read that article in detail. It will be very useful. Anyway, what is reason behind your failure in previous exams and all attempts?
so the reason is like I just I just give my serious efforts. Means I should have been sincere, but not like serious, like so that the whenever we used to get achieve something, then our emotions get attached, and sometimes we get nervous, sometimes we get overexcited. So these were the main problem. What I have just analyzes after the SSBs.
Okay,
But
okay.
now this time I'm very positive that I would make it.
What is your best strength?
So the perseverance that I am just working for since my 8 years to achieve this goal, but I'm not able to. And also my cheerfulness, and I'm also very happy
Your weakest point?
so that the stresses. Yes, sir.
Weakest point?
So weakest point is like, sir, I want to improve my communication skill in all the other ways, like so that I can express myself easily. And I have analyzed that in my SSB interviews also, that maybe one reason that I couldn't express myself. And also there is a weakness what I just see. It is a physical weakness that I whenever travel with a motor, that's matlab in four wheeler, then I have a problem of vomiting. This is my weakness, and in the forces, if I would be getting the opportunities, it would be removed, what I think.
Okay, okay. So you know riding and driving? You know driving?
Yes, I drive bikes and
Okay,
scooters.
okay,
Sir, four wheeler we don't have, so I don't know the driving.
okay. So which bike is your favorite bike?
Sir, nowadays my brother has got selected in sub inspector in Uttar Pradesh Police, and he had brought a bullet, and I used to ride that.
Okay, okay.